Next, problem number 21. Cosecant A minus 1 by cosecant A plus 1 is equal to cos A by 1 plus sin A whole square. Right, LHS we have to take, RHS we can prove. RHS you should observe what terms are there, cos and sin. So here also cosecant we have to change in terms of sin. LHS cosecant A minus 1 by cosecant A plus 1. Cosecant and sine, what is the relation? Both are reciprocals. 1 by sin A minus 1 by 1 by sin A plus 1. What is the LCM here? Numerator and denominator we have to take separate LCMs. Sin A 1 minus sin A by denominator also as it is LCM. Here 1 plus sin A. Here sin A cancel, it will go. Remaining 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Here denominator rationalizing we have to do. Denominator rationalizing means here plus means we have to multiply and divide with minus. 1 minus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Numerator you should multiply. 1 minus sin A whole square by here denominator A plus B into A minus B formula we can use here. What is the A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square formula. Sin square A. Numerator 1 minus sin A whole square by here 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square. What we can write? Cos square. We can use identity. 1 minus sin A whole square by cos square A. Numerator and denominator both have squares. So single square I will write. 1 minus sin A by cos A whole square. You should observe RHS. Here cos A by 1 plus sin A whole square. This problem, the numerator we have to do rationalizing. Numerator 1 minus sin A. So rationalizing means 1 plus sin A. We have to multiply and divide. 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Numerator you should multiply. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by denominator. What formula we can use here? A plus B into here 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, 2 times is there. So 1 plus sin A whole square we can write. Now numerator you should observe A plus B, A minus B, A plus B formula we can apply. 1 square minus sin A whole square we can write by 1 plus sin A. Denominator I am not changing. Here 1 square value is 1 minus sin square A by 1 plus sin A whole square. 1 minus sin square. How to write? Cos square we can write. We are using identity. By 1 plus sin A whole square. Numerator and denominator both have squares. So single square we should write. Cos A by 1 plus sin A whole square. Should observe RHS cos A by 1 plus sin A whole square. We got same answer. RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. LHS we have to take, RHS we have to prove. LHS, LCM we have to take and we will prove. LHS, here cosecant A minus cot A, here cosecant A plus cot A. Here cross multiplication, 1 plus sin A. Here cosecant A plus cot A. Next, minus, middle minus is there, I wrote here minus. Again, 1 minus sin A. Here cross multiplication, cosecant A minus cot A. This is binomial terms. We have to multiply. This bracket we have to multiply with 1 first. Next, this bracket multiply with sin A. 1 into cosecant A plus cot A plus sin A into cosecant A. Sin A into cosecant A plus sin A into cot A. Sin A into cot A. This is first two bracket multiplication. Next two brackets. Next bracket multiply with minus of 1 minus. So minus 1 we have to multiply this one. Minus 1 into cosecant A. Minus cosecant A. Here minus 1 into minus cot A. Minus into minus plus cot A. Next, here minus into minus plus. Plus sin A into this bracket we have to multiply. Plus sin A into cosecant A. Here minus sin A into cot A divided by, here A minus B, A plus B formula we have to apply. Cosecant square A minus cot square A. Cosecant square A minus cot square A. We have third identity. That value is 1. So numerator, any cancellations are there means we have to do cancel. Here sin A cot A plus sin A cot A minus sin A cot A. Next, here cosecant A plus cosecant A minus cosecant A. Cot A plus cot A. Two times we have 2 cot A. Next, here sin A into cosecant A. We can write 1 by sin A. Next, here plus sin A into 1 by sin A is equal to 2 cot A plus sin A cancel, sin A cancel, remaining 2. What is the common here? 2 is the common, cot A plus 1. This is our RHS. Therefore, LH is equal to RHS. Next problem number is 33. LHS we have to take, RHS we have to prove. LHS, here cos theta, cot theta we have to write in terms of sin and cos. Cos theta by sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Here we have to write cos into cos, cos square theta. Sin theta we have to write in denominator. Cos square theta by sin theta of 1 plus sin theta. Cos square theta we have to write in terms of sin. We have first identity that we can use. 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta of 1 plus sin theta. Here 1 square minus sin theta whole square we can write sin theta of 1 plus sin theta. Numerator we can apply a square minus b square formula. 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by denominator as it is sine theta of 1 plus sine theta. Here one numerator 1 plus sine theta, denominator 1 plus sine theta cancel. Remaining values 1 minus sine theta by sine theta. Numerator we have to split 1 by sine theta minus sine theta by sine theta. 1 by sine theta we can write cosecant theta minus sine cancel. This is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.